Hello! We are going to be doing some quarantine baking today because why not? We have a lot of time on our hands. So Noelle and I are going to show you how to make our famous banana bread. We actually call this Papa's banana bread. It's the recipe that I grew up with, and now my kids can make it. One of the reasons I love this recipe is because it is just in one bowl. So all you need is one bowl, not a stand mixer, one bowl, one spoon, and as long as you have 3 rotten bananas, you probably have all the other ingredients in your pantry that you need to make this. So I'm gonna let Noelle make this for you. You can see how easy it is, and we'll get started.
First, to begin on making our banana bread, we add all together the dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and some baking soda and salt. Now, we mix them together. Next, we add the eggs that are 2 eggs lightly beaten, and 1/2 cup of softened butter. After your wet and dry ingredients have been mixed together, I have to say it's a little bit hard to stir, you add 3 rotten bananas. The more rotten your bananas are, the softer they will be, the easier to mix in, and they'll also be sweeter. Once your batter is smooth and completely mixed together, you can add 1/2 cup to a cup of chocolate chips or nuts. In our family, we like chocolate chips. Once your batter has been completely mixed, you can pour it into a greased bread pan. Once you have your batter in the bread pan, cook it for about an hour at 375 degrees.